5. In this video, I'll guide you through how to create a customer intake form in Dubsado. A customer intake form is one of the best ways to streamline your client onboarding process. Instead of asking the same questions over and over, you can create a reusable questionnaire that gathers all the information you need before starting a project. Dubsado includes built-in form templates that you can customize to match your business, making it easy to collect consistent information from every new client. To get started, sign into your Dubsado account and make sure you're on the main dashboard. From the menu on the left side, click on Templates and then select Forms. This section contains all of your existing forms, questionnaires, and templates. Dubsado also includes several pre-built forms that you can edit instead of creating one entirely from scratch. If you'd like to browse additional options, click on Template Library and search for Questionnaire. You'll see a variety of templates designed for different types of businesses and workflows. For this tutorial, we'll use one of the default intake forms that's already available in the account. Open the form to begin editing. Once the editor loads, you can customize nearly every part of the questionnaire. Start by replacing the default logo with your own branding if you'd like. Then update the form title so it reflects your business or the purpose of the questionnaire. Next, review each question and edit it to better fit the information you want to collect. You can rewrite existing questions, change the wording, or adjust the answer options. For multiple choice questions, you can add or remove choices, while drop-down fields can be updated with the options you want clients to select from. You can also modify communication preference fields and other standard questions to better match your workflow. If you need additional information from your clients, simply drag a new field from the panel on the left into the form. Once it's in place, click the field to edit its label and instructions. Continue adding and customizing fields until your intake form includes everything you need. When you're satisfied with the questionnaire, click Save Form. You can also rename the form to make it easier to identify later. To send the form to a client, open their contact from the address book, navigate to the Forms section, and add your newly created intake form. Once it's attached, you can send it directly to the client or download it if you prefer to have them complete it in person. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully created a customer intake form in Dubsado, making it easier to collect important client information and streamline your onboarding process. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.